but yeah, that is what I'm getting presents to. People are generous around me. I'm surrounded by it. Uh, whenever I need something, there's somebody who will help me or support me. Um, and yeah, I'm just getting presents. I live a fucking amazing life. I had to say that
Yeah,
F word right now because it's just like it's blowing my mind at the moment. I'm like, what?
same here.
I was just like, what? Whoa, bro. Yeah, share with us.
I got present how generous actually my boyfriend is for letting me be an entrepreneur when we're building a house. What is really not easy, but he's actually letting me do that. And I also got present how generous it is of people when they actually buy our products and our well our products. That's what I'm present to.
Yeah, right. I mean, you put something out and you think like, all right, people will buy it, blah blah blah, and you kind of take it for granted. But when you start from scratch, like you and me, right? Just like for every time they say yes to a workshop, I'm like, ooh, wow, a new
Yeah.
one. All right, let's go, right? And now I will build in the thought, all right, you know, they see you because, they took you in, they appreciate what you're doing, or they want to try something new, and that's really generous of them.
Mhm.
Because
Yeah.
like kind of a goes like, why people wouldn't take this workshop? It's awesome. It's like it has I would bet the best satisfaction rate among teenagers in all the workshops in Slovenia, or top five. But I will almost put a hand in my fire that this is the top. But not building in the generosity and gratitude can go into an ego trip, which usually doesn't end well.
Yeah.
so so thank you for reminding me of that. Yeah, and yeah, it is generous, right? Because it's not granted, it's not given, it's not guaranteed. The people will take that if you make that.
Mhm.
And it's always a leap of faith, and it's really a leap of faith in humanity, in fellow human beings, that they will recognize whatever you're doing or whatever product you are launching, they will actually buy it, and in that way express, and they get something, you get something, it's a win-win. So
Mhm.
that is the best thing.
Yeah.